But lots of movers really in the entire commodity space as well. We've seen the kind of movement coming in for sugar, base metals and all of that. So let's get to some trading strategies going. Shreekant Jha from PJ Commodity Ventures joins us now. Mr. Jha, thanks very much for joining us. Let's start with copper and how would you trade that now?
Pardon, I didn't get that. Could you just repeat?
So your trading strategy on copper and your view on base metals.
Yeah, base metal has been going up. If you look at, in fact, copper led the way. Copper last December was at about 138, an appreciation of 150% over the last 1 year. Still bullish, I wouldn't short it. We are still looking at 375 as the next target. You could hold on to it with a support around 330. It has the potential of going up. It is very bullish on all its time frames.
How about your strategy on some other base metals? You have a strategy on aluminum as well?
Yeah, you see what's happened is while I would say zinc, lead actually started moving yesterday. Copper has already been moving, but aluminum has got stuck after breaking the 90s. It came into the 100 to 105 range, which actually being a little optimistic on it, I think today we should see it break the 106 levels. If you see that happening, I think the next target is 112 and 120. You could buy aluminum at this break with a support at about 100. 100 is what we look at it as a support, which would be your stops. But we are bullish on aluminum as well.
Right, Mr. Jha. Mr. Jha, also we were talking about sugar and as to how active the space is really looking now. Your thoughts and how long do you think this momentum would really continue?
See, sugar, I think if people remember August 09, we saw it at 2,400. Today, the spot market prices in Kolhapur is around 3,900. There has been a major jump in the last few days, but also what should be taken into account is that Brazil has had a logistic problem in moving its raws and whites out of the country. So the sudden demand that has come in is actually because of lack of supply. 40 rupees is what we were looking at a few weeks ago, which is at present now. 50 is what people are talking about, but I think you'll see a correction prior to that when Brazil actually ships out the sugar. And also you have some domestic supplies because of the crushing in Maharashtra, which should bring in some relief. But by and large, internationally, even on FOB pricing, it's high. It's around 36 to 37 rupees per kilo.
All right, Mr. Jha, let you go on that note. So lots of buzzes really from the commodity space.